الإخلاص مكية. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. صدق الله العظيم.
Foundation. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Say He is Allah, the one Allah, eternal, absolute. None is born of him, no holy born, and there is none like Him.
Jazakallah kids. Mr. Adnan Rabi to say a few words about our new plans for new positions. Please, sir.
Assalamualaikum and very good evening to all of you. Okay, on behalf of the MCS School, the staff and children, I would like to welcome all of you on this great occasion. It is great because the children are performing. It is not great because I am speaking. Because children are more important for me and for you all. And I'm sure whether your child is performing on the stage or somebody else is performing, I'll expect all of you to please encourage them to the maximum. Education is the least priority. Our least priority is education. If you don't have good education in schools, in colleges, in universities, you will not produce good doctors, good engineers, good scientists, good pharmacists, good lawyers. This was the first ever registered Montessori School of Pakistan, which was established in 1966. So my advice to all the parents, please focus on education. Miss one dinner a week, but buy books for children, because it's this mobile phone, this smartphone has destroyed us. So she has joined us back and she'll be taking a lot of responsibility in terms of teaching and training, and I'm sure a lot of difference will be seen in next 1 year time. Overnight nothing happens. It cannot happen. So it will take at least 1 year that it will happen, and I'm sure you people will be more happy and satisfied by sending your children to MCS School. Lastly, I would like to thank all my staff, the headmistress, Gujari Fatma. She has done a wonderful. So please clap for my staff and the headmistress. Thank you very much. I will not take much of your time. God bless you all and enjoy your evening. Thank you.
there was a beautiful castle in a land far, far away. The queen's wish came true. She had a beautiful baby girl. They named this baby girl Snow White. But suddenly, the queen became ill and passed away. And queen would be very happy with the answer. With the arrival of the evil queen, everything in the castle started to change. And the castle faced many, many troubles. Years went by and the Snow White grew up as a beautiful young girl. One day, the queen was in front of her magic mirror and asked, the queen became furious when she heard the magic mirror's answer. She immediately called her favorite hunter and told him to take Snow White into the woods and bring her card. The servants took Snow White next to the queen. In the morning, she woke up with the birds around her.
It's fishy. Who did all this work?
When they entered the room, they can't believe what their eyes.
Open the door, please.
So Snow White opens the door.
Oh, little girl, I'm very hungry. If you give me a bowl of soup, I will be very grateful to you.
That day, the king returned home, and the servants told him about the evil plan of the queen. The king ordered servants, finally returns to her home, and unites with her father. Snow White, the prince, the king, all the 7 little dwarfs lived happily ever after.
what can you play? I play the guitar. Booty, 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 boo, booty, booty, boo. Piano, piano, tilam, dandy, 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 lam, dandy, dandy, lam. Booty, 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 boo.
क्या आपको पता है कि अली स्कूल 8:30 पे पहुंचे थे? स्कूल का टाइम 8 बजे है।
जी अली मेरा बेटा वो रोज अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ अब पढ़ा के हो गया टाइम बेटा खाने जाता है इसलिए वो लेट हो गया होगा।
अली उठो, स्कूल नहीं जाना।
मम्मी मैं रात तक पबजी खेलने मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना।
अच्छा ठीक है बेटा, तुम सो जाओ आराम से।
को शर्म आनी चाहिए बेटा स्कूल देर से जाता है और कभी जाता ही नहीं है कोई फिक्र नहीं है।
क्या हुआ अली, स्कूल में कुछ हुआ है क्या?
मम्मी टीचर ने बोला, उन्होंने कहा है कि ना तुम्हारे पास स्टेशनरी है तो तुम उसमें भी होमवर्क कंप्लीट है।
आने दो अब्बू को, कल स्कूल में जाके हंगामा करूंगी। आपकी टीचर कहाँ है जिसने मेरे बेटे पे चीखा? देखिए आप ऐसे शाउट नहीं करें, अंदर आके बात करें। कल जब आपका बच्चा स्कूल आया था उनके पास से सिगरेट की स्मेल आई थी। जब हमने गेट पर रोका, यूनिफॉर्म प्रॉपर भी नहीं था, नहीं बुक्स एंड कॉपीज हैं। आप जरा अपने बच्चों पर तवज्जो दें। कल जब आपका बच्चा स्कूल आया था उनके पास से सिगरेट की स्मेल आई। जब हमने उनको गेट पर रोका, उनका यूनिफॉर्म प्रॉपर नहीं था, ना ही वो बुक्स एंड कॉपीज लाए थे। प्लीज आप अपने बच्चों पर तवज्जो दें।
यार आपको कोई शिकायत का मौका नहीं मिलेगा।
रेस्टोरेंट का सीन।
मैं अपना स्कूल चलाता हूँ बिल्कुल हमारा प्रिंसिपल की तरह। मैं स्टैंडर्ड चार्टर्ड बैंक का सीईओ हूँ। मैं लॉयर हूँ, मैं बहुत से केसेस हैंडल करता हूँ।
टेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस, स्कूली परफॉर्मेंस में हमें जो पैगाम मिलता है वो ये है कि तरबियत इंसान का किरदार बनाती है। तरबियत इंसान की अच्छी सलाहियतों को उभारती है और अगर तरबियत अच्छी ना हो तो तालीम भी उसे नहीं संभाल सकती। लिहाजा एक अच्छा और बाशऊर इंसान बनने के लिए अच्छी तरबियत का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
Then tell me what will happen to me.
Here comes the nobleman of the country, Angus.
The king sent us to give keys from our royal master saying, the king told us to board the train of Gordon.
The witches were right. They told us that I will become the son of God. Franco, will there be any possibility I will become?
The future starts now, my dear.
King Duncan will be here tonight with us.
When does he leave?
Tomorrow he will leave with his army.
That must not happen. He must not live to see the morning sun.
What are you saying?
It must be taken care tonight. Yes, just be friendly and nice to the king and leave the plan to me.
The King Duncan arrived at the palace.
The drinks were already drugged by Lady Macbeth. Everyone in the party settled, and waiters served them the dinner. Lady Macbeth and Macbeth stand on the side and discussed. Lady Macbeth was convincing Macbeth to kill the king. After everyone will sleep. The drinks with the drug let everyone sleep.
Washer. In the morning, you tell everyone that king's own son was murdered.
I don't trust anyone. Let's go from here.
They both got afraid and decided to leave the country. After a week, Macbeth's loyal followers cheered him and his wife and cheered them as the new king and queen.
The witness said that Banquo's son will be king, not mine.
Here comes the evil mind of Macbeth. He called his servant and ordered them to kill Banquo today. His son must also be died. Macbeth also flees the country and joined hands with the sons of first King Duncan.
Cut the trees and drag them to the castle.
Macbeth received the news about his wife. Still he decided to leave the battle. Macbeth informed Macbeth that I was not born from my mother's womb. I was born through operation. Finally, Macbeth killed Macbeth. Thank you, students of senior classes, for a wonderful day.
Give her a big round of applause. Now we will begin with our annual prize distribution ceremony. With a huge round of applause,
headmistress with me for 5 years of MC School. So she is the grandfather of my headmistress.
Zulekha. Zulekha, can we have you on the stage, please? Zulekha, Babu Bhai, he also worked here for more than 20 years. Gatekeeper Juman is taking his honor on his behalf. He has worked for more than 20 years with us. Please give him a huge round of applause. I would like to call Jabin on the stage to take the honor for working more than 8 years.
All children will sing a school song, followed by the vote of thanks by the headmistress.
My name is Adnan Arabi. I am the principal of MC School, and I love to be the principal of MC School because this is an institution. I believe in excellence and I believe in performance. And my teachers are there to support me. And the school is like 58 years old now. We have wonderful traditions and wonderful norms, and we follow them letter and spirit so that we can deliver our best to the school children. Thank you.